Well, hey everybody, just coming on here really quickly to show you my celery. This one is doing really good, and so is this one. So I've had a lot of people tell me that they've had no success in the past because their celery rots. So this is getting planted in the garden tomorrow. It's got really healthy leaves. It's going to be fine. It's got really good roots. Look at that root system. Really good roots. So that will go straight in the ground and it will produce celery. Got little celeries coming up already. This one is not as big. We have water in the jars and not as many roots. So I'm going to wait on this one, but just know that this is fine. It's okay for it to look like this. It's going to look like this. You just want those roots right there. That's what you are looking for, is those roots to attach to the ground and give you some more celery. So just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you that yes, this one is okay. That's what you're looking for. And if you're not going to plant these and you're going to grow them just for the leaves, sorry about the blurriness, you can make celery powder out of the leaves, and I will show you guys how to do this. So I dehydrate these leaves right here because these are the freshest leaves you can get, right? You want to dehydrate these and make celery powder. And oh my gosh, I saw celery powder in the store the other day. I think it was $12.99 for a canister, I think a pound canister. So yes, if you guys want celery powder, this is the way to go. If you're not going to plant it, that's fine. Use the leaves and dehydrate it, and then save it until you have enough leaves dehydrated to make your own powder. Really, really good. You can make powders out of everything. I think I'm going to start doing another series of that because I've got many series. Look under my dehydrating playlist and you will find, gosh, hundreds of videos of dehydrating, especially powders. The tomato powder, asparagus powder, carrot powder. I do all kinds of powders. So if you guys want to know more, put it in the comment section below if you want to learn more about dehydrating. We'll go more in depth about dehydrating some vegetables and what you can do with them once you dehydrate, other than putting them in soups and stews and casseroles, which is what everybody does. So let me know, and we'll do some dehydrating videos and making some powder, because the powders are really, really what matter. Asparagus powder, you can make cream of asparagus soup. You can dehydrate broccoli and then make broccoli powder for broccoli soup, and so on. Fruits are the same way. If you have apples and dehydrate apples, you can make apple powder. Add them to smoothies. The powders from the fruits and vegetables are just as nutritious as the fruits and vegetables themselves. If you want to get some vegetables into your kids, or maybe husbands who don't eat vegetables, then you want to dehydrate vegetables and add them to your meals, your casseroles, or smoothies. We do a lot of smoothies around here. So just saying, you know, there is a way around all this, and this is a great food storage source. So I am going to be showing you guys how I do some powder and how I seal those jars of powder coming in the next week. So stay tuned, you guys. There is more coming. Thanks for watching. Word of the day, celery. Make sure that you comment the word of the day in the description box below, and make sure that you're subscribed. Only subscribers are eligible to win, and we're going to be giving away some Italian seasoning, and but hopefully celebrating 15,000 subscribers really, really soon. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you soon.